So as you see, first of all, we have to enter the first number. For example, it has enter like a 7. Then to enter the operation, let us make addition, and then enter the second number. We'll add 7 with 3, for example, and then we get sum is equal to 10. You see, this is our addition. Now about subtraction, you can make it. For example, let us enter like 20, subtract, then we're going to take like 10 and subtract it from 20, and we get sub which is equal to 10, right? And for division, you see, we can take 10 divided by like 2. You see, division will be equal to 5. Also, when we take about multiplication, you can take 3 multiply with like a 7 and you get 21, right? So as you see this. Hello everyone, welcome back to C++ lesson with Chevizo Audio Official. In this video, we're going to build the scientific calculator by using switch control statement. Remember, when we use a calculator, for example, we can write like this. We write like 5 plus 2 is equal to like 7, right? In this case, in this scenario, you see, is what we're going to do. We will enter the number, then operation with second number, then give us a result. Yeah, please, in this video, we are going to use switch case, right, as one of selection control statement. Switch case, you see. Yeah, this is a selection control statement used when there is an alternative option, so or what you call cases, right? Yeah, and it's also learned about it, where we learned its definition, syntax, and some exercise related to this control statement. So if you missed it, please click here in the description of this video. You see there is a different playlist that talks about the selection control statement. So select one which is case. You see, there is the video that talks about it, right? So we was drawing. Let us get started. First of all, as usual, we have to make a variable declaration. Here we need 3 variables. We need the variable that holds this number entered by the user, and also this operator, right? So now let us call it fruit. Let us call it fruit x and y, where x is first number, y is a second number, then semicolon here, and also child, like this variable child. You see, where this child is like operator that we're going to use. It stands for operator. Right now, first of all, we have to write the statement ask user to enter the first number, as you see here. So south enter first number, first number. This is the message that requests the user to enter the first number, then enter in like this. You see, then you have to read this number from the user by using cin, then x, like this. Yeah, now after reading next, we have now to enter the operation. You see, to enter operation, because for example we enter first number 4 and then we enter addition. That's why here we have to ask user to enter the operation. South enter operation, or yeah, select operation. Can use just select operation, then end line here. As you see now, after this we have to read char now. See in char, because this variable stands for or represents operation that we are going to use, right? And then after this we have to enter also the second number here. So enter the second number. Second number. You see? Then enter in here. Like this. Now after get our second number, we are going now to make operation to display a result. You see, we just entered first number plus second number. Now we are going to find out this result, right? Yeah, by using switch. And the syntax of switch is this: is a switch, then search as our operation, then open and close curly braces, right? Like this, you see. Now after this we have now to write the cases. In case, for example, our operation is addition. What you get, of course, is sum of two numbers. So like this, sum equal, then also sum. You see, you can put here like space and then now x plus y, right? Then here end line. You see, in this case we make addition of these two numbers. Then after this, as the syntax of switch, we have to write here break. You see, now this is our first case. When we entered addition as our operation, we get sum of these two numbers. Now I can select this statement here to save time, copy and paste them here. Suppose what will happen when here is like subtraction, we'll say that subtraction is equal to x minus y, you see. And also if we have like here multiplication, in that case we'll get multiplication here. Multiplication will be equal to x multiplied by y. This is another case, but when we have like this operation of division, in this case we get that division is equal to like this, div is equal to x divided by y, you see. Then also break. But remember, as the syntax of switch statement, we have what you call default, where we display a default message. Let us say that out invalid operation. Invalid operation like this is when we make invalid operation. This is our message. You see, then here end line like this. So this is our program to make the simple scientific calculation by using switch control statement, right? So let us make its comparison to check whether there is some errors. If not, we run it to get an output, right? So let us make its comparison, and you see there is no error. Now we can run our program Yeah. So as you see, first of all, we have to enter the first number. For example, let us enter like a 7. Then to enter the operation, let us make addition, and then enter the second number. We'll add 7 with 3, for example, and then we get sum is equal to 10. You see, this is our addition. Now about subtraction, you can make it. For example, let us enter like 20, subtract, then we're going to take like 10 and subtract it from 20, and we get sub which is equal to 10, right? And for division, you see, we can take 10 divided by like 2. You see, division will be equal to 5. Also, when we take about multiplication, you can take 3 multiply with like a 7 and you get 21, right? So as you see, this is a simple scientific calculator that can help you to make a different operations. Here we made around 4 operations. You can make more about it, you can develop it. So what you need to do or to know here is to know the syntax of switch case, right? And if you don't know it, please go back and watch our videos. There are video that talk about it. Yeah, now this is the end of our today lesson. Please, if you are new here, it's time to subscribe to this channel, to like this video and to share it to your friends so as to get full access to our lesson. And let me hope I will see you in our next amazing video.
Thank you.